Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Fake Growl. A moral story: don't take actions when you are fearful. A mighty lion was the king of the forest. One day, the lion came out of his cave and growled loudly. Suddenly, he heard a growl coming from his cave. "Who is it? What are you doing in my cave? Come out," yelled the lion. He again heard someone repeating his words from inside his cave. The lion was now scared and worried. Who could it be who had the strength to get inside my cave and is shouting back at me? Someone wants to kill me and become the king of the forest. I must kill him now, he thought. As he stood outside his cave wondering, his minister, the fox, saw him and said, "Majesty, don't be scared. It is only the echo of your voice that you can hear. There is no enemy inside." Sometimes, our fears don't let us think positively. The lion realized his mistake.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.